Guys, why did you click this button? I told you not to click this button. Now something is going to happen. Something strange. Wait, did you call me? No, I didn't. Okay then, bye. No, wait, you are the real one, right? Yeah, but why? Can you help me? Yes, of course. So can you just go in future and find out what is going to happen in this video? Because the viewers have clicked this button. Let me see. Wait. What did you see? It's impossible. The part 2 of this video will to be continued. Stay tuned to my channel, because there is something strange in its part 2. Subscribe my channel right now, and turn on the notifications, if you don't want to miss the part 2. See you in the part 2, till then take care.